All right, guys, so today we're going to go over very quickly how to install a Facebook Pixel on your website. Briefly, what Facebook Pixel is, it's a bit of code you can put on an external website, like a landing page or a company site, that will read the traffic that's going on and it'll relay that information back to Facebook so it knows who's engaging with your ads and then actually going to the website that you're directing them to, or just what kind of traffic your website is generating in general. To get there, you'll go to business.facebook.com, and then we will go up to the top left-hand corner menu and go to Pixels. Now, if you've not created a Facebook Pixel before, you'll see this screen right here. So we're going to hit Create a Pixel, and we'll give it a name that fits your business, and then you will type in the website that it's going to. So once you do that, you'll get three options. The first one is you can add the code using a partner integration. You can manually put it in, or you can email the instructions to a developer. So we'll start with the partner integration. Facebook has partnered with a lot of different website providers: WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Shopify. So if you see a company on here that your website is run through, you can click on that and it will give you exact step-by-step on how to process that through. So we're going to go ahead back and we're going to look at what it looks like to email the instructions to a developer. If you have your developer's email address, you can put that in right here, and this will give them step-by-step instructions that they will understand on how to actually set up the base pixel, and then something we'll go over soon, which is the event pixels as well. Now, if you're setting this up on your own, you can go to manually add pixel code to website. This right here is the entire pixel code that you need. So you can click this to copy it. What you'll do is you'll go to your website and you will put this in above the head tag. Okay. Now this right here is what you call a base pixel. This is just for page view. This is just to tell Facebook the general audience that your website is getting. And this will read things like email, gender, city, state, first, last name, phone number, etc. So you're going to put that base code in and then you'll test the traffic. We'll go ahead and hit continue. So the next thing you'll do is you'll go through to set up an event pixel. Now these are recommended if you're trying to do more targeted advertising on Facebook. The page view is a base pixel that just kind of shows a broad audience of who is going in, but you can set up event pixels on specific pages with specific titles so Facebook knows in more detail what actions are being taken on your website. So we'll hit manually add event code, and what you'll get is a list of options. Now this is for e-commerce and retail. We have plenty of options here. You see entertainment media might have some different ones. Okay, so based on the step that people are taking on your page, you can set up a specific pixel for that. So if people fill out an application and then they get directed to a thank you page, something like complete registration would be good for that. You can enter in the conversion value and the currency that's being used. What you'll need to do to set up this, you'll put the base pixel on the website, and you will also insert the event code. Now, the difference here is that this complete registration will only show on the thank you page. You do not need to put this on your entire website. What you can do though is you can continue to choose event pixels that fit the different pages on your website and install those. Once you've done that, you'll hit done, and then you can go here to test events, and that's when you can type in the URL of your website or those specific pages to fire those pixels off and see the exact activity that's going on. If you want an easier way to test if your pixel is working and you use Google Chrome, you can download the Facebook Pixel Helper, and this will read if pixels are embedded on websites, and you can see exactly which ones are firing and which ones are not.